Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a program to reverse a number. Let's say you want to reverse a 3-digit number. What you need to do is to take the third digit, followed by the second digit, and then the first digit. So in detail, this is what you can do to reverse the number. So we will store the number in a variable n. We will then initialize the reversed variable, let's say r is equals to 0. To get the third digit, we will take n mod 10, which will give us 1. We will add this digit to our r variable, which will be 0 plus 1, which is equals to 1. Then to get the remaining digits, we will take our n divided by 10, which will give us 10. To get the second digit, we will take our new n mod 10, which is equals to 0. We will then multiply our previous r value by 10 to shift the place value to tens, and then add our digit to get 10. And then to get the remaining digit, we will take n divided by 10, which is equals to 1. To get the first digit, we will take n mod 10, which will give us 1. We will multiply our previous r value by 10 to shift the place value to hundreds, and then add our digit, which will give us 101. Then to get the remaining digits, we will take n divided by 10, which is equals to 0. That means that we don't have any remaining digits. Let's get rid of this and start implementing. We will begin by declaring the variables. We will then perform the reverse operation in a while loop. So in our previous example, we have seen that when n is equals to 0, it means that we have no remaining digits. We will use this as a condition in our while loop. So the code in this loop will be executed for as long as our n is greater than 0. Otherwise, if n is equals to 0, it will mean that we have no remaining digits. So here we will use the mod operator to grab each of the digits. We will then multiply the value of the r variable by 10 and add each of the digits. Then to get the remaining digits, we will take the value of the n variable divided by 10. So once we are done looping through all the digits, we will print out the value of the r variable. Let's now run this. So here is our output. We can make the value of n to be dynamic by prompting the user to enter any number. So here we will create a scanner object. And now the value of n will be the input scanned from the terminal. So we can get rid of this. Let's run this once more. Enter any number, let's say 109. So here is our output. The reverse of 109 is 901.